Things change faster than they used to. New products, new services, new types of businesses, new versions of everything, new expectations. It's the principle of evolution. When everything around you changes, so must you. You adapt. You become better. It's not just a necessity, it's a fascinating opportunity. The era of digitalization has arrived in the manufacturing and process industries. Forward-thinking companies already benefit from getting their products to market faster, more efficiently, and with greater flexibility, all with the same or even better quality. Digitalization brings it all together. Every idea, every process, every machine, or the entire plant. Every stakeholder, every eventuality, everything you do. Ultimately forming a unified digital enterprise. Digitalization helps improve companies of any size. What starts with a few small steps can result in a complete virtual image of products and production. This digital twin helps you see, anticipate, experiment, plan, simulate, and execute. It starts with a mindset that focuses on the entire value chain of a future digital enterprise and begins to explore integrated industrial software and automation components. From enhanced networking and communication to everything and everyone seamlessly connected in a comprehensive industrial communication network. Secured by a robust industrial security infrastructure that protects your productivity. Constantly optimized by business-specific industrial services that help you turn data into knowledge. With actionable analysis and information for your competitive advantage. You are much closer than you think to becoming a digital enterprise. Get started on your evolution.